Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will discuss about 3 home remedies to get relief from cough. Let us start with remedy 1, which is Tulsi Kada. In Ayurveda, Tulsi is the queen of herbs. Tulsi leaves help improve the individual ability to fight against common cold as well as cough. Now we will see how to make Tulsi Kada. Take a few Tulsi leaves, wash it well. Boil water in a pan, add the Tulsi leaves. Add 1 teaspoon of grated ginger and 5 to 6 peppercorns. Boil the mixture for at least 10 minutes. Finally, add a pinch of black salt and squeeze half lemon to it. Let it stand for 1 minute. Strain the tea and drink it warm. Moving on to remedy 2, which is raw garlic honey. Garlic is very effective against bacterial, viral and fungal infections. Now we will see how to make this. Take 2 medium peeled garlic cloves and crush it. Now take a bowl, add 2 spoons of honey and crushed garlic. Mix it well. Now while having this garlic honey mixture, you need to chew it well and then swallow it. Drink full glass of water immediately because garlic has its own pungent flavor and for some it may get too much. Now we will see remedy 3, which is clove cinnamon tea. Clove and cinnamon have anti-inflammatory compounds which can come handy during times of sore throat cough. Now we will see how to make clove cinnamon tea. Take a vessel, pour a cup of water and bring it to boil. Now add 1 teaspoon of cloves and small bark of cinnamon. Now allow it to boil for 10 minutes with closed lid on it. Turn off the heat and add honey to it. Strain the tea and serve it. So these are the 3 home remedies to get relief from the cough. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thank you.